Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you sell on Amazon or want to start, choosing the right tool can save you a lot of time and money. In this video, I will talk about two popular tools, Helium 10 and Jungle Scout. I will share what they do, how they are different, and which one is better for you. Also, I added the link and special offer price in the description below, so make sure you check that before you decide to buy anything. Let's begin to start with Jungle Scout. This tool is made only for Amazon sellers. It helps you to find winning product, check how much they sell, and understand if that product is a good idea for your store. Jungle Scout is simple, clean, and very beginner friendly. If you are new to Amazon, it's a great start. The dashboard is easy to use. You can search for products, check trends, and even look how much money sellers are making. It also helps with keyword research and listing your product in the right way. Now let's talk about Helium 10. Helium 10 gives you more features than Jungle Scout, and it works for both beginner and experienced sellers. It also helps you find products and keywords, but it also gives deep tools like profit calculator, alerts, and email follow-up for reviewers. Helium 10 is more like a full toolbox, but because of so many tools, it can feel a bit confusing in the beginning stage. Still, if you want more control and more data, it's a powerful tool. So which one should you choose? If you are just starting and want simple and fast results, Jungle Scout is a good choice. If you are serious about Amazon and want more feature for growth, Helium 10 might be better. Both have the paid plans, but you can try them first. Alright, that's the comparison. I hope it helped you to understand which tool is fit for you for your Amazon journey. Remember to check the description below for the link and discount offer. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you in the next one.